Alright, so here I've just loaded my project into SDL Trados Studio, and what I'd like to do is working with my files. When I open that, some of the documents, some of the elements have already been translated with 100% match against my translation memories, but these here I will have to come up with myself, or maybe I don't. So what I'd like to do is go to the project properties, project settings. There's also usually a shortcut here somewhere, one of the icons, you'll find it. Project settings will let you go to the language pairs, and in the language pairs, under all language pairs, you can see an option for translation memory, but also for automated translation, and that's exactly where we're going to enable the Systran add-on. And so what you do is you enable that, or you click on this add button, and you'll see a couple of other choices, including Systran, and that's after you've installed it. Okay, so you need to first have installed that plugin, that add-on that you can download from the SDL website, and that enables the Systran capability. You'll need to indicate which type of connection you want to your enterprise server if you have one, and to indicate maybe, or if you've done this before on a different or on the same configuration here, you can perhaps hit remember the saved connection, which is what I'm going to choose in this case. Right, but if you chose the enterprise server, you would obviously be asked for user credentials, username, password, and that sort of things, and you'll have to indicate exactly what the IP address or other ways is to connect to it. I'm just going to use my existing connection, and that way I'm ready to go. So at that point I have Systran enabled, and not necessarily though, because one thing you want to make sure it is enabled. Okay, so it can be added to the list, but you want to make sure you have it enabled. And then it can also have a lookup that's automatically happen whenever you click on all these translation elements, translation units. So when you have that all marked as active, the moment you click on something here, it will go do the round trip to the translation engine, and you see that it came up with AT as in automated translation. So this is the translation now done by the Systran engine every time that we go and just click on the items right there. And then of course you can go and do further editing and enhancements and improve it the way you want. So that's how you activate, or how you enable the Systran plugin or add-on to Trados Studio. And again, what we did is we went to project settings right here, and in project settings you look basically under language pairs, you look for all language pairs, and that's where you'll see the translation memory and automated translation options. So that's where you can add things like translation memories, but also other add-ons and plugins, including ours from Systran. And that's that.